Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing another video where we're checking out Lovable.dev, an AI-powered platform that lets you build full-stack web applications just by describing them in plain English. Whether you're a startup founder or solo developer or just someone with a great idea, this tool could help you go from concept to code in minutes, so let's dive in. So, what is Lovable.dev? Lovable.dev is a web-based AI application builder that turns your plain language prompts into fully functioning web apps. So, it generates both front-end and back-end code, helps with iteration through a built-in AI assistant, support tools like Supabase or, for database authentication with minimal setup. Now, let's get started. Getting started is very simple. Just head over lovable.dev and just sign in with your GitHub or email. You'll be taken to a clean dashboard. From there, you just describe what you want to build. So you can just say, I want, a dog size showcase app that shows me different breeds and let me pick the right dog. So that's exactly what I did. And now I see here, look at it, it's pretty good. There is a natural language prompt here. So the natural language prompt here turns into a website, and there's also a built-in AI assistant to help me modify, debug, or add features. So as you see here, I did a little bit of debugging, and it kind of worked. And there's still some broken ones, so we're gonna fix them using the AI assistant. So we're just gonna copy the names of the dogs here. So we're just gonna copy them. So Pomeranian, Shih Tzu, a Dachshund, uh images images URL are broken, so we're just gonna say that, and the AI assistant is gonna help me fix some of this, especially this one, the small dogs that I mentioned that don't have working URLs. So what's gonna do here, it's gonna work, and it's gonna fix the broken URLs for the Pomeranian, Shih Tzu, and Dachshund, the dog data.ts file. So as you see here, it's already fixing it right here. So French Bulldog, it's fixing the images and stuff like that. Shih Tzu, Dachshund. So we're just gonna wait for a little bit to work its magic and also, fix them. So let's see here. It fixed the Dachshund. That's pretty cool. When you're working Pomeranian. So there's still a little bit of bug because Shih Tzu and Pomeranian are still broken. And we're gonna ask them again. So this is gonna be really easy. Shih Tzu are still broken, and it's just gonna fix it for me. So it's pretty good. I may take some time to debug the whole thing, but it's much better than just like coding the whole thing here and debugging it yourself. So if you want just like a free no code application or no code website, this Lovable is the best one for you. So you don't have to do things like this. You have the CCS and stuff like that, the description and stuff like that. So you're just gonna fix it for you by typing this. So we're just gonna wait here. So it edited the Pomeranian Shih Tzu URL. So to look, see here, the Shih Tzu got a fix, but it's not really Shih Tzu, but that's okay. So that's how it works. So customization, you can ask the AI assistant to change UI. So we can actually change the UI here. Make the text on logo size maroon, so we can customize it like that. So we're just gonna change the header file here to maroon, so it's gonna work on it right now. It's gonna process what I made on my natural language to code. So it's pretty cool. You can add new features, fix bugs, or when you're done you can just deploy the app by pushing the publish button, and you can just just share the link and people can type it and they're just gonna show up here, and the website's gonna show up naturally just like any other website. Now it's gonna change the text color for doggo size to maroon. I see here, here's the index.ccs that it's the style of the main code is. So it's gonna change to maroon. So it's updating now, so that's pretty cool. So we're just gonna wait for a bit to change this. So Lovable supports deployment to Versal actually. So you can connect your custom domain if you want to launch publicly. If you want to change the URL name to not be just lovable.dev, you can absolutely do that. But that requires the pro version of Lovable. So you do that, you do need to keep in mind. So the free version of Lovable is free. There's also the pro version that allows you to, make things private in your, there you go, Maroon. In your, if you're using GitHub repository, you can make it private. So that's pretty cool. Now, let's explore some alternatives. So we have Webflow right here. We also have Builder.io. And we also have Framer. So Framer is, fast, stylish with built-in animation style. Yep. And also AppSmith. So that's a cool name. You have AppSmith. So AppSmith is best for building, internal tools with APIs, and you also have Retool. So you have Retool here. Oh no, that not this one. Retool. There we go. Also have Retool here. So Retool is focused on dashboard and enterprise data tools. So lovable.dev is, it's easy, makes it easier than ever to build full stack application using plain English, especially if you want to skip boilerplate setup and, focus on your app unique logic and design. That said, tools like Webflow or V0 might be better if your focus is, purely front end or visual design. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Let me know in the comments what kind of app you build with Lovable.dev, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.